Giving up, letting go, times we might feel compelled. Looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control. When we feel like the world is against us. We have built
Hi lovies, welcome back. And if you are just tuning into my channel, you're just running into it, welcome. My name is Krystal and I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So subscribe, stay a while. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a tutorial on this holiday makeup look here. I feel like you could wear it for like Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, maybe more so like Christmas and New Year's, but I mean, you can rock this on Thanksgiving. It's kind of vampy, but it's still glam, so you know, you do you. We used the Carli Bybel and Anastasia collab palette. Once again, I used this in my last two tutorials, and we're using it again because I love it so much. I wanted to create a holiday makeup tutorial using some of these shades. I used this shade in particular all over the lid. So freaking gorgeous. And then a few others, but yeah. So, ooh, dropping things. Okay, so this is the look that we're gonna create today. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. If you wanna see how to get it, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to be using the Carli Bybel and Anastasia collab palette. Looks like this if you haven't seen it yet. So freaking pretty. So many pretty colors in there, you guys. Okay, so let me bring you guys closer. Ooh, too close. Okay, so this is an example of what we're going to do. This is the other eye. Okay, so first I'm picking up Bybel and we're just going to run that through the crease. That's going to be our transition shade for the whole look. Okay, next I'm gonna take Bowie. I think that's what that says. It's like a brown shade, and we're just gonna pop that in the outer V just for some added definition. I'm not gonna get too crazy with this color in the outer V, only because we're gonna be going over it basically with a shimmerier color. So now I'm just taking the Too Faced glitter glue because the next color that we're gonna use has quite a few glitters in it, and I wanna make sure they stick. So I'm just gonna dab this all over the lids. So what I like to do when I use this is I like to put it on the back of my hand. Sorry about my nails. My nails look super ratchet right now, but I'll get it fixed. And then dab it all over the lids before I put the other color on there. Just so it's not super gloopy or gloppy. I don't know if that's the word. So right after you use that, you want to work relatively quickly because the glue will dry. Okay, so now we're going to take this gorgeous color right here. It's called OA. And I'm just going to use my fingers to dab that all over the lid. Okay, then I'm just gonna take a blending brush and we're gonna blend out that edge just so it's nice and seamless up towards the brow bone. Sorry if my eyes are watering, guys. I feel like glitters are getting in my eye. Caution when working with glitter. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Mandala. It's this really gorgeous prismatic-y color right here. And we're just gonna pop that in the inner corners. Okay, so I'm just gonna dampen my brush with some Matte Fix Plus, and we're just gonna go a little harder in that corner so it really pops. That's such a pretty color. Okay, now we're going into Bare, which is kind of like a bone shimmery shade. It's not too shimmery though, not glittery or anything, but it's got like a slight sheen to it. And we're gonna pop that on the brow bone. I'm just gonna really highlight the brow bone and make our brow bone look lifted. I'm just gonna touch up a little bit with that Bybel color. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Perversion Liquid Eyeliner Pen. We're going to create a wing with this. So I'm going to do that off camera because it's a lot easier, but if you want to see like a winged eyeliner tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, and I'm just going to coat the upper lashes with this. And with the power of editing, we're just going to pop on some lashes. Okay, so now for the waterline, we're going in with this purple shade. It's by Pure Cosmetics. It's called Rain. This is their On Point eyeliner pencil, and we're just going to run that through the waterline. Okay, and then I'm also going to take that along the outer third of the lower lash line just to add some more definition there. Oh, my eyes are super watery. Okay, then I'm going to go back into OA, that color that we put all over the lid, that really sparkly color. And we're just going to run that right on top of that liner. And then we're gonna go in with Bybel, which is that shade that we put in the transition area. And we're gonna run that just along the lower lash line. And then I'm also going to connect it so that way it all blends together well. Okay, so now to get extra fancy, we're going to use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Distortion. Looks like that. So this is going to go in the inner corners because I want it to be really sparkly and holiday glam-like. I mean, how freaking pretty, right? What do you guys think? And I feel like it goes together well with that one on the top there. Because the glitters are kind of similar. Okay, and to finish off the eyes, we're just going to add some mascara to the lower lashes. I'm using the Laura Geller Lash Floss Mascara. Looks like that. Okay, and that completes the eyes.
Giving up, letting go, times where you might feel compelled, looking down from the...
Okay guys, I'm trying to like lift my shirt up because it looks like I'm wearing no clothes. Okay, we're good. So now we're gonna move on to the face. Let's see what we got going on here. I did not plan what I was gonna do with my face, so yeah. I wanna go in with something a little cool tone. Okay, so first we're just gonna bronze. I'm using the Guerlain Terracotta Light Bronzer in 03 Brunettes. Looks like this. We're gonna be a little bougie with our bronzer because it's a holiday and it's okay to get fancy on a holiday. I mean, you can get fancy on any day, but especially during the holidays. So I'm just gonna bronze. I feel like I didn't lose much of my tan from the summer. I have not even self-tanned in forever, but I still look like relatively tan. At least on camera, I feel like I look super freaking tan. I think what I wanna do for blush, we're gonna use a MAC blush today. And I feel like I haven't used MAC blushes in a long time, but this is my go-to MAC blush. If you're looking for a MAC blush, this is legit. This is called Gentle. It's their mineralized blush. It's kind of shimmery, not too shimmery. It's not glittery at all or anything like that, but it's a little shimmery. But it's like a rosy toned blush. And we're just gonna pop that onto the apples of the cheeks. I'm gonna try not to get too heavy with this. I feel like in my last tutorial, I was like, we're just gonna do it lightly. We're not gonna get too heavy with this. And then I look back at the footage and I'm like, bitch, that shit's heavy. Do you know what? That's okay. Because if you go too heavy with your blush, I'm gonna show you how we can correct that a little bit. So we're just gonna take whatever brush we used for our powder and just use the excess. Just pat it on over. I mean, you can even dip into the powder a little bit too if you want to. It's a little bit better, right? Cool, okay. I so wish you guys could talk back to me. That'd be so much fun. Like an interactive YouTube. I think there's like YouTube Live though, isn't there? I could be mistaken. Okay, so now to highlight, we're gonna be using two different highlighters. Well, it's like from the same palette, but two different ones. So this is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette in the shade Lush Touch. It looks like that in the packaging, and then it's got like 3 different highlighters going on in there. So this one's like more pinky, peachy. This one has like a peachy, bronzy kind of undertone to it, and this is just like a golden glow. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this middle shade right here, and we're just gonna do like a gentle highlight with that. I say gentle, and I'm over here looking like a disco ball. Girl, I love this highlighter palette. It's so pretty, and it's drugstore. Can you believe that? Damn. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this goldeny one right here, and we're gonna hit the super high points. That Cupid's bow a little bit harder, chin. Now we're glowing. And then because it's the holidays, we're gonna hit that decolletage, tomato. Yes, and the shoulders too. Can't forget our shoulders. It's great if you're wearing like an off the shoulder dress or top. You can have straps too, that works, but I think it's good for what I got going on right now. And make the boobies a little bit, make them look a little rounder. There we go. We're glowing, we're glowing. Okay, so now for the lips, because we have so much going on with the eye area, all kinds of stuff, we're gonna be going in with a nude lip for this look. And I'm using MAC Lip Pencil in Strip Down. And then I'm gonna also use the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in Stark Naked. So this looks like that. Okay, to make sure our makeup lasts all night long, through all those meals, through all that talking, through all those pictures, we're gonna be using the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray because this stuff is legit. Works so good, you guys. Just drown in it. And this is the final look.
Giving up, feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us.
All right, so that's gonna be it for the tutorial. What do you guys think? Is it a look that you guys wanna try out? Let me know in the comments below. If you do decide to try it out, tag me. I would love to see your recreations of this look. I'll leave my handle right here if you guys wanna share your beautiful faces with me. I would love to see this look on you guys. So I've been really inspired to film makeup looks a lot more lately, so especially since it's like the holiday season and stuff. So if you guys have any particular requests, like color combos, etc., let me know in the comments below and I can definitely make some magic happen for you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, holiday season, and I will see you in my next video.